In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll know how to build a polished form or quiz, customize its look, control who can respond, share it confidently, and review the results with ease. First, head to forms.office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. This is your workspace for everything Forms. Once you're in, you'll see the option to create something new. Choose new form if you're collecting information or feedback, or pick new quiz if you plan to assign points and evaluate answers automatically. Quizzes are great for training checks and quick knowledge assessments. Forms are ideal for surveys, registrations, and general data collection. Give your form an identity right away. Click where it says Untitled Form, add a clear name, and write a brief description. A good description sets expectations, explain the purpose, who should respond, and how long it will take. If you're gathering personal information, mention why it's needed to build trust and reduce drop-offs. Now add your questions. Click Add New to see the available types. Choice lets people pick from predefined options, perfect for multiple choice questions like selecting a department or choosing a product. Text captures written answers, whether a short one-liner or a longer explanation. Rating offers star or number scales. Choose a scale that makes sense and stay consistent if you use several ratings. Date is ideal for scheduling, deadlines, or birthdays because it ensures a valid calendar selection. Ranking allows respondents to drag items into a preferred order, handy for prioritization. Likert gives you a grid of statements with levels of agreement or frequency, a classic format for measuring opinions and attitudes. As you build, make key items required. Toggle required on any question that must be answered before submission. This helps keep your data complete without overwhelming people. Require only what you truly need. Make your form look great with the style icon. Choose a preset theme or color to match your vibe, and if you like, upload your own background image or company logo for branding. Some themes support background music. It can add flair, but consider your audience and context. Simple and high contrast designs are best for accessibility and professionalism. Open the three dots in the top right and select Settings. Here, decide who can fill out the form, anyone with the link or only people in your organization. Review response options such as limiting responses, and turn on email notifications if you want an alert when someone submits. When you're ready to share, click Collect Responses. You can copy a link, download a QR code for posters or slides, or embed the form on a website or internal portal. As responses roll in, open the Responses tab at the top of your form to see instant summaries and track progress. That's it. Your Microsoft form is ready to shine.